What's up, I'm Magic Wedding Photographer. Now I'm gonna be taking photos at the most epic party, Wooden Banana Party at Way Up North Conference in Portugal, Lisbon. You probably wonder, hey Magic, what's the gear? What do you need to take photos like this? Everything you need is in this bag. Everything you need is in this tiny, tiny bag. Let me show you.
Let me show you.
First, you need a camera body. The perfect camera body for this would be Sony A1 because it's fucking expensive. You want to go expensive when you're photographing other photographers. They need to see you're using expensive gear. They don't want to see a 7.4 or God forbid a 7.3. They want the best of the best, the one to rule them all. This is Sony A1. That's what we're using. Then you need a lens, not just a lens. It has to be G Master lens, the master of all the photographers in the room. There's gonna be 300 photographers in that room.
500 photographers, 1,000 photographers there in a cave.
They need to see the G Master logo. And then the flash, not just the flash, the most expensive flash out there. It has to be the most expensive flash out there. Oh, I forgot. You have to have a hold fast bag because this is not cheap. They have to see you're serious about this job. You're not freaking joking. It's not just a party, it's the best party. Profoto A10, obviously the most expensive flash. For a reason, it will never fail me. It will always freaking work. Every time I'm gonna press the shutter, it's gonna flash. That's what you need. 24 A1 flash, that's it.
What do you do? How do you take the pictures?
Oh, you'll see. You have to be in the action. You have to go all in. And to be honest, to find out, you just have to purchase my flash course. That's the only way to find it out. It's a top secret technique called dragging the shutter. No one knows how to use it, but I know, and I will teach you that knowledge in my course. I'm joking. You just need slow shutter, ISO like low 100 to 400, f11-ish, and bam, manual focus.
What do you focus on? Infinity?
No, like a meter in front of you, because that's where the party. You're at the party, so the people are not infinitely far away from you.
For the pictures though, they encapsulate what it feels like to be there.
It's sweat, blood, drinks, the bottles are on the floor. It's like you're cramped like this, so it's very tight, but the music is the best music ever. Look at this is the party. It's happening. It's right here. I'm actually really tired. I might go to sleep first. So this video is sponsored by PicTime, obviously, but they pay me, not you, even though it's on your channel. That's the part of the deal here.
I'm scared. Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end.
All of them photographers.
Thousands.
They need to know I'm using A1.
In the end.
So much in the end.